So why are ghosts bad liars? Because you can see right through them. Transparent.
Perfect.
Now these are due to be released next year in February, but I'm very excited to have these in hand so early. On today's episode, we are having a look at the upcoming Jordan 4 Craft. So we saw the Jordan preview for next year and there are some bangers coming out. I'll be honest though, there were only two that really caught my eye. Of course, this Jordan 4 Photon Dust aka Craft and the White Cement Freeze. I'm defo keeping my eyes peeled for those white cements to get them in early as well because they're due to release in March. Of course, today's video is all about the Jordan 4 Craft and this one is very different. And before we touch on the good, the bad and the ugly, let's have a look at the box. Now yes, I got these early from StockX, so I wasn't expecting anything less in terms of the condition with the box. It is pretty beat up here, but that aside, it does look good in terms of the colorway. It has that light grey finish with the speckle design to the cement print in that sort of metallic look. And then we got the Flight logo on top with that vanilla Jumpman on there, which is something very refreshing to see. Now the product sticker does read Air Jordan 4 Retro Special Edition and the official colorway is Photon Dust Pale Vanilla. Now that's pretty much it with the box, no special goodies or extra laces. Now getting these early off StockX, I was very nervous, but I've got to say hands down, thank God there is nothing I can really complain about, I guess, apart from the box. Of course, this being my personal pair, I'm not too bothered about the box. Now the Jordan 4 is as popular as ever, so if you're thinking about getting these in February, then you're thinking about how they fit. And for me, like 99.9% of Jordan 4s, they do fit true to size. Because of that great blend of different materials such as suede on the toe guard and of course leather, it does fit very snug. But snug in a comfortable way, not snug because they're too small. But broskies, when you get your pair, overall I'd say go true to size. So Jordan brand has changed it up quite a lot with this pair in terms of the materials and the look of it. And seeing pictures of them, I wasn't too sure, but once I got them in hand, I was very impressed. Now as soon as I saw this colorway, I did get Armamanier vibes to it all day long. I don't know whether it's more the color palette or the materials, but either way, I am not complaining. Those suede panels around the mud and toe guards are so premium. It's not as furry as the Canyon Purples for example, but they'll definitely do. Now the leather panels on here though, I've got to say aren't as premium. It's not that bad on the toe box, it feels nice and plush, but around the mud guard it does feel so plasticky. Now one of the things that they did change that a lot of people are talking about is the actual webbing. And yes, even though it does look like the same design, they've actually replaced it with suede panels. But you know what, let's see how these hold up in the summer. It might be a lot less breathable, but only time will tell. As far as the design goes, I am impressed. Now the straps that we normally do get on the Jordan 4s are a lot more premium in terms of the leather. It's got more of that aged look in terms of that cracked material, and we've seen a lot of that lately on Jordans. Now this pair does come with these sort of translucent panels to the lace holes, so it adds even more to that aged look. It looks sort of cloudy, but the more I look at those panels, the more I sort of like it. It does go very well with the colorway. Now like I have mentioned already, they do come with these grey set of laces and it works well with the shoe. And I know so many people are going to most likely swap these out with cell laces, but either way I can see it working. Now we get that furry suede here again towards the top of the tongue, and then we have that vanilla Jumpman logo, which is so nice. Defo gives this sneaker that extra pop. Now we've got that square suede panel towards the lateral side on the ankle collar, which is stitched in on top of that leather, but towards the medial side we have that cracked leather look here again. Now the sock liner works so well, especially with the tongue. We've got that dark and grey to the sock liner alongside the insole, with again that vanilla Jumpman logo. And what contrasts it so nicely is that yellow hip to the tongue. And from a certain angle it kind of looks like exposed foam, but of course it's just the colour. But making our way to the heel counter, we have that TPU pull tab towards the back with the vanilla Jumpman logo just on top of it. Now the midsole is of that sort of off-white colour that we're so used to seeing on some sneakers. But I've got to say, it does work so nice with this dark grey. Finishing off on the outsole though, we have that dark grey with the light grey, the cream and the vanilla hits too. And overall the colour tones do go so so well. Right broskies, who's even more excited for that February drop? And most importantly, are these a buy or a buy? Now the Jordan 4 alongside the Jordan 1s and the Nike Dunks are probably creme de la creme when it comes to hype. Every TikToker and their aunt has a pair. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And us real sneakerheads are sometimes stuck when trying to cop them. But I'm just hoping and praying that 2023 things level out even more, because things have gotten a lot better. I feel like 2022 has been so much better when trying to cop the pairs that you like. Obviously it's not 100%, sometimes you just have to miss out or pay resale, but it's not as impossible as the past couple of years have been. But this Jordan 4 Craft aka Photon Dust has surprised me in a lot more ways than one. The early reviews and the leaked images has not done this sneaker justice one bit. The change up in the materials especially, but alongside the colorway they look so much cleaner in hand. And Jordan brand has defo added that age look to it without sort of overdoing it like some sneakers. The only kind of nitpick I can say is the lack of quality to some of the leather panels, not all of them, just some. But then on the other side, the premium feeling to the suede panels kind of make up for it. But overall broskies, defo one of the best looking Jordan 4s that we've had in recent years, and dare I say it, maybe even top 10 for next year. Okay, I gotta chill, I might be getting ahead of myself, but I'm defo liking these. Overall broskies, I have to give these an absolute buy. But comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Are you going for these on release, or was this an absolute miss? Comment down below and I will pin the best comment. Anyways broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment and share. And till the next episode, take care.